Okay, right now this lesson I want to show you how to select information from database into the grid views, or we call the tables. Okay, right now we go to create HTML. Okay, right now I create the file. Yes, list.php. So right now we create HTML list guess. Okay, right now we create the styles. Okay, you can create the style here. Or you can copy from the insert material record before lesson. Yes, when we create already. Yes, we go to refresh, for example. Yes, this listed PHP. Yeah, so there is another information. So we include the slash dot PHP. So I want to, for example, we use new class container. Okay, container href list gasoline gas list. And we use the ts account id first name, last name, image, and edit, delete. Or you can use the span, for example, code span tools. Yes, and I want to refresh. So you can see the gas list. So then I will want to call the record into the table. So we go to the select. Yes, this I create already before the lesson for beginners. So you go to the see the lesson select.php. Okay, so when we create already, so then I want to refresh code here, and actual select statement we add the email. Yes, so then I will create a variable output. Yes, and I will output gr. Okay, we use dot to string merge string. Okay, right here we call tg info to td dot id slash td. Yes, so then I copy here. Okay, so we add a first name, last name, and the email. So then I want to copy one more to yes, we delete here. So then I will add a href. So edit, copy, and we use delete. But we want to call the update. Yeah, we want to call the update. Okay, right now we want to use edit dot php id and we update through id. But we don't have not yet edit.php, and this time I want to create.php and this delete. Yes, delete because from the delete file here dot delete.php. Okay, we go to the slash and dot php question mark id and course. Because when I create already, so when the finish loop, okay, when finish loops, we echo outputs. Yes, when I will run, we go to the list.php. I want to include use uh, tbody, and right here we add the php file. Yes, we include refer to the select.php. Okay, so now we refresh. As you can see the list guest guest list so from here. Okay, when we click the delete id and then delete record from here. Yes, for example, I want to delete. Yeah, record deleted successfully. Remove from the database. Yes, when I delete already, I want to use base your list.php. So we go to delete. Yes, and now we want to add the location I want to redirect to the list.php. List.php. Okay, I refresh again. So when I delete, okay, remove from the database. So we go to the file list.php again. Yes, I want to scrap. So I want to, when I click the create new, redirect to the insert multi-record.php. So we use insert form dot html. Just refer to the insert form dot html here. So we create option, create news guest. Yes, we create new guest. Okay, create new guest. When I click, yeah, okay, go to create guest. So we use the refresh again. Okay, I want to refresh. Yes. When I click create new guest, rather to create the page for example. Okay, we go to the list. Yes, here. If we want to insert successfully and right to the list, we go to insert here, or we go to insert, we refresh location like this. For example, I want to right to the list.php. Okay, test. Right to the list. Guest list. Okay, so right now this lesson I want to finish at this time. I want to show you how to update records in the database. Okay, don't forget to follow me in the next time. Say goodbye.